Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the bleed shotgun in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This spot is in Fort Warspike, southwest of the city of Hernand. Draw a line starting from the letter N from the word Hernand on your map. Once you're here, you'll see this small roofed area at the very back of the fort. Head inside and behind this map you'll find the bleed shotgun. Make sure you equip a mask since this will count as stealing. This shotgun comes with 17 attack, 2 crit rate, and it's on its second level of refinement. This shotgun is for Damien, and what's special about this is it's the best in slot shotgun for her, along with the Dewhaven shotgun which goes up to level 3 crit when maxed out. It's the best gear if you're planning to run a shotgun build around her, which makes her extremely broken. Try it for yourself and you'll be surprised how much damage she puts out with this weapon. And that's how to get the bleed shotgun in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.